So coming to the up to now, you have discussed. I have discussed about the various distribution transformer of distribution systems and various types of distribution system, how the cable is structured and what are the things you need to follow, and all those things I have discussed. Right now, I am moving for the third unit. Up to now, I have covered 2 units. Right now, I am moving for the third unit. I have shared my 2 units of notes to your class years. First unit I have sent. Right now, I am able to, after finishing of this class, I will send the second unit notes to your corresponding years, as well as if you have any doubt, let me know about that. And for these 2 units, by tomorrow, I will upload assignment for you. And you need to write. Those who will write and submit this in the online, I'll consider those people are to be present and those people are following my class. And I have a little bit. I have a. I want to conduct a quiz for you. For that also, I am readying some questions. I want to contribute something to you. For that also, I am thinking about you. Those who are the winners of that particular quiz on EDS, I'll give a quiz to you. Before going to the third unit is nothing but distribution system protection. Okay, distribution system protection. So when the distribution system protection is there mentioned, so I want to give my screen. The way of distribution system protection. Okay. Before going to the distribution system in previously, okay. See, first of all, where you go, any distribution system, any transmission system, any for the supporting purpose or for the to have the transmission purpose, to have the step upping and step downing purpose, anywhere if you go and verify, these protection equipments you will see. Okay, so hello, are you getting any disturbance? You can speak with me also. You can unmute yourself and you can speak. Are you getting any disturbance from my side? Hello,
Sir,
hello.
sir, audio.
Audio problem?
Yes, sir.
It's good now.
సార్ జర డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది సార్.
Is it okay? Is it okay?
No, sir.
Is it okay? Is it okay for you?
సార్ అట్లనే వస్తుంది సార్ సేమ్ మళ్ళా.
Same. I don't know where it is the fault. I think I'll verify after finishing of this the next class. So to have the protecting equipment purpose, I am moving further. So you know Thomas Alva Edison and as well as Nikola Tesla. These two are the major part to invent the our electricity and all those things. And the data births. Why I am calling this? Why I am so? Whenever if you see the clear picture of our power system scenario, each and everywhere in the generation point, in the transmission point, in the distribution point, we have we have we have protecting equipment. Okay, so I'll move for the, this is about the transmission distribution side. Okay, here you have lightning arresters, you have air breaker switches, and you have circuit breakers, you have all those things are there. Okay, if you want to connect a line to line also, if you want to support some line also, you need an insulator, you need an insulator, and you need a protecting devices for that to prevent from the high currents. Okay, so whenever I'm moving for the pole mounted substation, here also you have some protecting devices. This supply is connected to the protecting devices as well as so this is about the light, this is about the clear view of that. So here, this is a one protecting fuse. I have lightning arresters. You have, when the lightning arrest, when the thundering is there, automatically this lightning arrestor will work it out, and that thunder, it will takes the higher amount of current. That thunder based higher amount of currents are given to the ground. Okay, and here overhead circuit breaker in this particular pole mounted substation in the distribution side. And if you see the clear picture of anything, here the main components of the anything is, see here, I have mentioned here support. Okay, second one is I have towers. Okay, towers, that is nothing but the cross arm and clamp insulators, and like that I have the group of series of conductors, and as well as you are going for the lightning arresters here. Okay, fourth one is the continuous earth here, continuous earth, and here bird guards. Okay, bird guards. Sixth one is the vibration dampers. Okay, seventh one is the jumpers. Okay, so here where we will use the support and cross arc and clamp insulators are nothing but in the generating unit. Okay, second one is guys and stays, conductors and fuses and isolating switches are there here. Okay, so like this you have a major component. This is about the one insulator to have the support. Okay, this is a pin type of insulator. Okay, pin type of insulator is secured to the cross arm on the pole. There is a groove on the upper end of the insulator for housing the conductor. The conductor passes through the through this groove. Okay, this groove, this particular groove. Okay, and is bounded by the annealed wire of, okay, here you need to, that wire, okay, that conductor is annealed wire is connected, that bounded with the annealed wire, and annealed wire of the same material as the conductor. Okay, this is about the insulator. Okay, insulators are different, protecting devices are different. Okay, before going to the protecting devices, I am moving for the insulators. Why means, it should be, it should also gives the continuous power supply, which gives the support. Okay, towers, this is about the high tension lines, and high tension lines are there, automatically you have a high tension supports you will get, like powers and towers. Okay, which depends on the size and height of the processing voltages. Okay, like in your home side, and you will see these are the things. Okay, and like this RCC poles. Okay, to have the supply of roads also. Okay, for the lamp connection also. Okay, you will use this particular thing, this particular type of supports you will take. Towers, and cross arm and clamps like here, ways to have the support. Okay, what I have explained previously, I am going to convey about each and every word in this class. Okay, gaze and stays. Okay, stays pole over his use of the guys and the insulator. Okay, guy wire, clamp power transmission line fitting. See here, by the using of two stay poles, okay, these two are connected here, and by the using of this middle ground, you can connect a wire from there. Okay, and see, whenever this is about the conductor, conductors conductor material is most of them are known about this copper, aluminum, or excuse me, any. So this is about the aluminum conductor, steel reinforced conductor ACSR, through a like this a bundled amount of conductors are connected in a group like cable wire. Okay, through a line of the electric conductor per one place to another place, to shift the power from one place to another place, you will use the conductor. You know about this. And the main intention of the conductor is which is having high conductivity, and which is having a capability to transfer whatever we will give the 100% of voltage to the 100% of the voltage to the sending end to the receiving end voltage. Okay, so this is about the different sizes and how we will use and what is its resistance for the different ranges, 33 kV, 11 kV, low tension lines like that. So lightning arresters, this is about the, you have seen also, this is about the lightning arresters. Okay, which is connected to the ground. Okay, uh, fuse, very nice, fuse. This is the main protecting devices. Okay, so fuse, most of the homes you have seen fuse. Okay, what is the purpose of fuse? What is the purpose of fuse? Tell me. It is a over current protecting device. Over current is automatically, by the using of fuse, you can open that particular circuit when over current is there. Okay, so fuse is a, so tell me, what is your opinion on the fuse? Any comments? Protection purpose, very nice. Reduction purpose, current limiting device, very nice. Protection from overcurrents, very nice. Thank you, Vidya. Thank you, Raghu, and thank you, Suman. Uh, so, fuse is a overcurrent protecting device, as Sumant is provided, as well as which opposing the high currents, like Indumati told about that. And it is a protection device. It should protect the whole equipment when high currents are flowing. Okay, and the this is about the fuse, three-phase fuse, and this is about the disconnecting switch. Disconnecting switch. This is about the high voltage fuse. Okay, This is about the high voltage fuse cut out applied to the alternating current system. Okay, when high voltage type of things are there, this is about the particular switch. Okay, so this is lightning arresters connection, tempers, vibrating bands, all the things are there, guards, slavers, suspension type insulator, what I mentioned, suspension type insulator. Why I am going for two speed means these are all are you have studied in the PSP, Power System Protection topic, SGP. You have already covered this, I think. So my topic is protection. So to have the protection purpose, these are all are you will take. So why we are going for the protection? Tell me. Hello. Gave auto admit. I think somebody protect the. Hello. Hello. Yes, yes. I want to present now. I have a questions. After that, my PPT is going to visible to you. So tell me why we are going for the protection. There are some objectives of the protection. Tell me why we are moving for the protection. This is my question to you. Okay, continuous power supply. Yeah, very nice. To have the continuity power supply purpose, we need the protection. And to have the next answer. I need the answers. Okay, to prevent it from the shocks, to protect our equipments, very nice. Protecting the equipment from the lightning, very nice. Not to damage any equipment, very nice. Oh, very good answers I am coming. I am getting. Uh, any more? I need another 10. The protection for ourselves also. System efficiency increased by the protection. Okay, very nice. Next, Still, still I need answers. Raju, Vidya, few people are answering. Why I am doing this process means most of the people are not listening my class. They are entering and they are constantly owning their phone and they are going out. That's why I am asking. Protection from the system reliability, very nice. Protection from faulty conditions, system reliability, great, great. Next, protection from high surge currents, very nice. You got great things. I think 20 people are over. Yeah, only 16. Reducing falls, very nice. Sai, next. I'll wait for another 1 minute. I'll go for my presentation. Reducing fault to isolate faulty presection. Very nice, very nice. To disconnect a healthy feeder to the from faulty feeder for protection of other devices. Very nice. Okay, Manoj Kumar, to keep power system stable and maintaining maintenance reduced if there is no protection system. Maintenance increases. Very nice. It will help while restoring audio. Is very nice. Next, to divert the surge currents from the others. Very nice. And to disconnect healthy feeder from faulty feeder. Very nice. Okay, you have great things. I'm presenting. So, what is protection? Protection is the art and the science of the detecting problem with the power system components and isolating these components. Okay, so protection is nothing but need of the protection is nothing but to maintain 24 hours power supply. Okay, and you need to maintain the voltage and frequency must stay within the certain limits and to protect the public. Okay, what the students what you said is correct, to protect the public purpose and to improve the stability purpose, to minimize the damage to equipment purpose and to protect against overloads. Like overloads are there means automatically high currents, high surge currents you will get. Okay, this is the need of the protection. Okay, so when you go for the damage, okay, to prevent from the damages, so when you go for the damage, these are the pictures, you can see how it will damage. Okay, this is about the feeder level. And when you see the electrical equipment versus electrical equipment versus thermal damage. Okay, damage time, if damage time is less, if if damage time is less, see, if damage time is less, there is no damage curve. If damage time is if damage time is high, okay, If damage time is less, little bit amount of fault is there. If damage time is increases, if damage time is increases, automatically the short circuit current, see, the short circuit current is going to decrease. Okay, so this is a damaged curve between the damage time to the short circuit. When short circuit current is high in the middle, in the starting, damage time is low. If the short circuit current is low, automatically when you take any equipment, any protecting equipment, the nameplate details which states that short circuit current rating. Okay, before beyond, see, you need to withstand that particular short circuit current form, short circuit current ratings. You need to follow that short circuit current ratings. Okay, within that only you need to select any system. You need to go for any system. You need to go to use that particular protection equipment to that particular below rated amount of distribution system. Okay, so this is about that. And components used for the protection. Okay, CTs. CTs are nothing but like this. Okay, and VTs, voltage transformers. Okay, voltage transformers also called as a potential transformers. Okay, relay. Okay, this all you know, but circuit from the circuit breaker onwards. Okay, this is the circuit breaker. Okay, here this is a one distribution system. Okay, here one distribution system is connected to the one feeder. See, in the distribution system, for feeder pattern, for depending on the availability, depending on the load demand, we are going to classify the particular feeders into the 4 feeder as 6 feeder. Each and every feeder firstly connected with the circuit breaker. Okay, that circuit breaker is going to protect the overall system. Okay, overall system. So whenever you are going for the connection and whenever you are going to do the particular things, first of all I will move for the how we are protecting at the generating unit. After that I will move for the distribution side. Okay, so components to be used to protected is from the circuit breaker is generators, transformers, lines, buses, as well as capacitors. Okay, generator protection is nothing but by the using of the winding short circuit. Okay, short circuit of the winding you will get. Okay, so at that time you will have a problem. How we protect the starter at the generating generator is nothing but we have we can first of all we need to detect the face-to-face fault, and we need to detect the face-to-face fault where it is going to there, and how do we get protected is nothing but a different protection you can use. That is nothing but first of all you need to detect a face-to-face fault and you need to isolate that. You can protect the generator. Okay, like this, by the using of the current relay and potential relays. Okay, potential relays, you can prevent the faulty conditions and you can eliminate that faulty conditions to prevent the generator. Okay, and next is what can go wrong. Transformer protection. For the transformer protection, what can go wrong? Okay, without protection, what can go wrong? So winding to winding fault or bushing faults. Okay, bushing faults, winding to ground fault or winding to ground winding fault or bushing fault you will get. Okay, so how we protect this particular transformer into that? Okay, like fuses, especially overcurrent fuses and differential fuses. Okay, like this we are going to use a special type of fuses for the transformer. Okay, and here see, this is about the high side fuse which is protecting a transformer, in the secondary distribution system. Okay, whole transformer is connected to a fuse. Before fuse, you have a circuit breaker here. Okay, you have a circuit breaker here. So here overcurrent relays are there. Okay, you can protect a transformer with the overcurrent relays also. Here you can use the overcurrent relay. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, here you have your fuse. Whenever you have any fault on this particular region after the fuse, you are using the relays. Okay, one, two, three. By the using of what is the purpose of relay? When fault is there, automatically relay will detect the that particular thing, which gives the which senses that fault and automatically which opens that particular thing, okay, which gives the guidance to the particular distribution people. So by manually you can open that particular circuit. Okay, this is about the particular thing. Okay, and differential method is nothing but this is a differential method. This is overcurrent method. Okay, here you have a series connection and you have a parallel connection. Here only parallel series connection. You don't have a parallel connection. So which is having a primary current as well as secondary current. Okay, these things you will study in the power system protection subject. That's why I am not going in depth of this particular thing. Okay, and transmission lines protection side, you know, in the transmission line protection is not there. What you will get like short circuits. Okay, and by the using of short circuits, how we will get the short circuits are nothing but the lightnings, trees, animals, weather, and natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, and faulty equipments. Faulty equipments are nothing but the switches, insulators, and clamps. Okay, these are all are there to get the short circuit on the transmission line. Okay, so this is a one type of like birds are there which gives this short circuit connection, and automatically in the protection we have when we are going for the protection concept, why we are moving for the production is nothing but there are some faults are there. Okay, faults are nothing but you have LL fault, LG fault, LG fault, triple L fault, all those things are there. Okay, so whenever I have this particular type of thing, okay, I want to know about the in the distribution system. I want to know about the ratios of the particular thing. In main distribution system, all of you remind, in main distribution system, in main distribution system, actually, so single phase to ground fault is there, line to ground fault is there. Phase I am taking, line to ground fault is there. Automatically in the distribution system, 70 to 80% faults are line to ground fault. Okay, and line to double LG fault is there, which is having 15 to 10%. Here 17 to 10% you have. Okay, and line to line fault is there, 5 to 10%. Here 10 to 8 10%. And three phase fault is there, that is below the 5%. Okay, so by the knowing this only you have a major problem with the line to ground fault. Okay, line to ground fault. So if you are using a three phase fault, if you are using a three phase fault, sorry, my battery is going too low, I will connect through my phone. Just wait up. I am disconnecting this.
Hello. Sorry, my device is not having the charger problem is there. So I'll connect this through my phone. So how many people are attending? How many people are attending the gate classes? Please post your roll numbers and don't go out, please. Mr. Wait, I am taking my class. Taking my class. Up to 11. Sumana, all are posted here from A section. From B section. Thank you. I am closing the class. By evening, I will take the class. Here, my charging port is not available. So, my port compatibility is not there. Today evening, I will take. If possible, you can join. Those who are facing with the data problem also, I'll contribute to those people. Uh, so, please come for the evening class. Thank you.